welcome back for Plus Strike to actually new this wanted weapon. So like this wanted, I got it. This wanted. Super! This wanted actually weapon is called this wanted. Is actually reloading for 0 bullets in this wallet. But check this out. This new. Look at this. It's actually the second this wallet and the extra first time. By the way, in the new character is called. This actually ninja is this wallet for ninja. For this wallet in the use of power.
Underlay, disperse.
Wow, this is actually this wallet. The wonderful power. But check this out. This actually. Alright. And look this. Is everything like this wallet? I don't like it this guy actually Shinover for this wallet the clock. Oh, like actually ninja a Shinover. That's what's like it. This guy looks like this wallet is actually first time. By the way, today we got this wallet. There we go. And now we this time it's not actually this wallet the first time. The 999. Wow, this is actually so fast. Alright, let's go back to Battle Royale with new map. And look at this. This everything world is update. The action map. So look at this world. This actually. Alright, let's go start a battle royale. With this first time. Alright. Welcome back to new world of this time. This is new map. And look at this. The everything is actually over time. Like this, so this wallet. So I got this wallet. I got the animation. In this wallet, I'm actually cool this the first time. Let's go to battle we are to the once again, the new. Oh my god, where am I? And what's gonna happen? Alright. Well, let's actually this wallet the extra first time. Oh my god!
Wiped out. Pathetic.
In the actual, what the hell is this? It says actually enemies nothing. Oh my god. Well, nothing happens.
Yeah.
got it! Take down! Ooh. Oh my god, it's like this is actually first time. This slow graphic. Oh my god. I mean actually first time actually the previous episode of Blast Track the new word actually this actually in actually previous episode of. By the way, could you imagine about the previous episode of first time actually this the Shadow Island is actually back to again over and over. Okay. The shield is broken! The shield is broken!
Need assistance.
Broken. Don't worry, minimize. I got it. That's actually first time. The quorum. This actually back to over.
Need assistance.
We become so much darkness. Oh my god.
UAV support called in.
Oh my god. What is gonna happen? I mean, it's gonna happen in the second this water here.
Loadout called in.
Okay, I mean to use the action this white. The back to the life. Okay.
Head to the target.
Oh my god. What happened? And what's happened? Something looks like a change over there. I got it. I got a surprise. This time it's back to over. Alright, good. Now action first time is its weapon. Alright, let's go this. Let's do this. Alright. And then actually back over. I mean it's actually first time. Oh, this is. You're never down. I got it, legend. What the hell is this? Oh, they actually the faction sometimes. Introducing Blast Track the Action Doom. What the fuck is this? You know, actually, this what it is. Actually, this what it is. It's over. Cameras down. Great job.
Using a bandit.
And now actually, cameras back to normal. Great job. What they actually, this what it actually kill is this cameras actually back the overtime. Okay, here I go. Here we go. The fuck is this? You know what you gonna do it. I am good. Thanks, sniper. Okay, this is actually nothing you
Using
can do.
advantage. Taking hits.
What the hell is this? Alright, let's go to end. It's nothing. It's actually nothing.
UAV support called in.
Okay. I got actually no grenades. It's like I meant actually grenade. It actually is the first time I am nothing.
UAV support called in. Loadout airdrop incoming.
Okay. Nothing happens. Nothing more. And nothing good. Alright.
UAV support called in.
Oh my god, actually first time over and over. Okay, I'm used to actually sniper is like a watch.
Loadout called in.
Oh, thanks.
UAV support called in. The safe zone has been redefined.
Alright, level up. Oh my god. Okay, Minamite, I ain't got it, just what it. Check this out.
Weapon here.
This like a flamer bullet. Okay.
Enemy there. Heading to the target. Heading to the target. Heading to the target.
What the hell is target? Are you sure it's like this what it is here?
The safe zone is shifting.
I watch enemies is like a shoot 'em. Alright.
UAV support called in. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Hands up. UAV support called in. The safe zone has been redefined.
Nope, thanks.
Under attack. Locate the enemy.
What? What? I'm used to actually bazooka launcher.
Enemy spotted.
What?
The safe
Why is still missed? Why is still missed?
Enemy spotted. Taking hits.
What the hell is this? Is J actually grenade used the overtime? The poison? No way. Oh my god.
Wiped out.
Weapon here. Bandaging.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
UAV support called in. The safe zone has been redefined.
I'm under attack.
Alright.
Safe zone
And
is
actually
UAV
this wallet,
support
I'm
called in.
actually this wallet. I checked the map over there. It is good? No, no, not. Okay.
Reloading.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, by the way. There's actually more. So introducing the action new world of this time.
Stop. Cease this foolishness.
Well, here we come. The action new map. Look, this is actually everything new. In there we go, the extra fight of this time.
Motherfucker.
Actually evil. Okay. Okay, okay.
Wiped out.
What is this? Oh, I mean, actually this wallet, this actually this wallet. The red enemies is actually attacking me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There we go. Now we actually first time. Direct the actual winner? No. This one is infinite time. Oh my god, oh. What the hell is this? I don't like this. The actually first time is called the hell. The actually hell. Oh my god! I mean, they actually used a shot and got it down. Okay. Oh my god. This is actually, oh my god, this is like enemies. Jesus Christ. I know like this is actually this wallet. Okay. Got him.
Enemy spotted.
Yeah, I got it. Alright, I missed the wheel of the action once again. This actually overtime. Okay. Grenade! Okay, I missed the actual fire grenade.
Kill.
Okay, ultra kill. That's actually cool.
Unstoppable.
Yeah. Do you like actually a first time combo? No, they're not.
Sick.
Enemy hit.
Wicked sick.
There we go.
Enemy hit. I'm under heavy fire.
Wicked sick.
Okay.
Enemy spotted.
Okay, there I go. I mean, actually, this one is actually double combo with actually the enemies.
Sick.
Take fire.
Wicked sick. Wicked sick. Wicked sick.
And then nothing happens in infinite combo.
Protection barrier up and running.
Oh my god, what the hell is this?
Enemy hit.
Okay. Alright, got him. You know where actually going. Woo! That was so close. Are you back to air? I'm the hero. Okay. I'm introduced to stuff.
Mega kill.
Oh my god.
Unstoppable.
Okay. The ultra kill. Oh my god, here I come again. Oh my. There we go. Yeah. That was so close.
Private data deleted.
What is this? Action, no voice acting? Oh, no way.
Take fire.
I can do this. No will actually tell. Okay, there I go.
Enemy hit. Spotted.
Okay, there I go.
Taking
There we
fire.
go.
Mega kill. Unstoppable.
Okay, there we go.
Enemy
You're almost there.
under fire.
Yeah, I got it. I did it. What happened? What happened, graphic? Okay, that was actually Plus Strike actually new update. But actually the first time, next day about actually what is actually Halloween. The back to coming soon. But we're actually back. The action normal this likely back. So see you next time the new episode.